So I thought I'd do like a little vlog today. Sam and I are going like Christmas shopping for like a Christmas tree, maybe some decorations. We'll see, we've got quite a lot of them in, but I thought I'd vlog that, putting up the tree, maybe vlog a little bit this evening. We're doing a little bit of Christmassy stuff this evening, but we'll see. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm running late, as per. I should really be setting off now to collect Sam, so we're gonna go. So we've come to pick Sam up, and I'm waiting outside the vet school for him. I'm so excited. I'm actually so excited for Christmas. It's currently the 23rd of November, so really we want to get this tree up like tonight, because otherwise it is getting a little bit late for it. So we've ordered some decorations off Amazon, so I'm quite excited to see what they have in store, you know, to pick out some like more unique items. I was totally after getting like some specific like design ones, but I couldn't get a hold of those, so I'm hoping they have some like cool stuff out at the garden centres. Garden centres tend to be expensive though, so I think we're going to go to Dunelm first and see like what kind of tree we can get, and then we might try one of the garden centres also around here. It's so magical. I absolutely love these. I want us to have a whole village. Can we have a whole village of these? They're amazing.
Waffle hut. That's what you want, the waffle hut.
Just because it is. It's £100. £100 is what we were thinking it was going to be.
Were we?
I think we were thinking it was going to be £100 to £120.
I mean, that looks really realistic in all fairness. Feels really realistic actually. I'd be quite happy with that as a fake tree, you know.
See, and if you spend more money, think about it, how many, like you spend about £40 a year on a fake tree. This is going to last us more than 3 years, so it's going to more than pay for itself.
A 7 foot one.
A 7 foot one?
It wouldn't fit, that's the thing.
It wouldn't fit.
It's nice, but it wouldn't fit.
It feels weird. Can you feel it? It feels weird.
Feels much like the other one.
This is the kind of size tree that I want, and we have like a bigger house.
Yeah. 7 foot.
7 foot at least. Can you imagine having a tree taller than you are?
Yes. Do you feel like you're in a winter forest?
I actually do. I absolutely love it. Christmas is not the most like exciting time of the year.
Yeah.
So, which one was it that we absolutely loved? I think it was on the other side. Down here. Yeah, it was down here. It was more exciting. I don't really remember. Yeah, I should go first. 6 foot. This feels a bit more real. I'm thinking that one. Then. So it's a really good tree.
Which do you prefer though?
What do you mean?
Oh,
those two. I don't know. Which do you prefer?
I mean, they're both very similar. They're both nice.
So guys, sound off down below. Which tree do you like more? This one. This is more expensive. This is £130. And this one is £100. They're both 6 foot. I don't see like a huge amount of difference. I mean, we're going to have decided anyway, but like comment below which one you think we're going to choose. So this kind of has some of our colours. Has black. I love black. Black is the colour of my soul. Grey counts. This is absolutely the perfect place for like decorations. Just look at all this. It's so Christmassy and beautiful. Who actually has like white as their colour scheme though? That's what I want to know. I mean, it's not like a bad colour scheme. I've just never seen it before. Do you know what I'm saying? It's so pretty. It is so pretty, all this like red and gold, but it has this pink, and I'm not like a pink person. So cute. Look at that tree though, magnificent, magnificent. So pretty. Those candy canes though. Well, this is like the purpley like blue section. It's teals and purples. They kind of mixed it together to make it all like, oh my god, that is magnificent. Oh my god. And it's just, I kind of love these colours. It's like a pale gold, and with that purple it just like works. Oh my god, so pretty. Oh my god, it's so nice. So in the end we chose the cheaper tree on the right because it's cheaper and we don't really see much difference. Like, do you know, I don't see much difference between the trees. The height looks different because of the angle, but that's kind of about it. So this tree is the one we're going for, and then we're going home. We've just eaten, so next clip you'll see is us putting this bad boy up. And this is the main reason I bought Sam. He's not a fan of fake trees, but I love a fake tree. He's mainly here to carry it for me. Absolutely love it. I was going to pick one up on my own. It's like, yeah, but who's going to carry it for you? This is our little tree. We're so happy with it. We have this black and gold theme that we stick to, and we just think it looks so good. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. We really enjoyed putting up our tree and shopping with it, and we're kind of glad that you came with us. Like, it's so much fun because it feels like you're not shopping alone, that kind of thing, and we absolutely love it. If you guys have any colour suggestions or any decoration suggestions or anything like that, please feel free to let us know. We love the idea of adding more decorations to our collection. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and if you press that notification bell, you'll be notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching.